My kids so annoyed by me, but I don't care. But on this video, we about to show y'all how to wash clothes at what age?
35.
So y'all, Ari's about to measure the tide out to number 2. Hold on, sorry, baby. She about to pour the laundry detergent inside of the machine. Her clothes is already inside of there, as y'all can see. I asked if she wanted to put a white load and a dark load. She wanted to wash all her clothes together. So that's up to her.
Can I put water in it and then pour it back in there?
Yep, you can.
Am I poop?
Savi is so mad right now. She will be okay. Go ahead. She about to come in here all extra loud, y'all.
Okay.
Alright. Everything is already set up. Take it off a hot, because that's hot wash. You don't need hot wash.
Mommy.
Alright, that's it.
Warm or cold?
Warm. Go ahead and cut the machine on. No, turn it to heavy. Yep. Now, press start.
I press start.
It's gonna come on. Is the light blinking? See? It's sensing. It's seeing how heavy your clothes is before it turns on. Okay? So that's it. You don't gotta put nothing else in there. Okay.
Oh my god, guys.
Okay. No, you're not gonna do anything evil. Yeah. No.